it's on Shabbos?
No,
I guess like
no. It's too thick. So as we said, if it's not flowing, flowing, it's a baby oil. So baby oil, I mean, like oil is some thicker oil, like olive oil. There is no problem, but coconut oil, I mean, the way I imagine it, maybe the different consistency, but they're very thick. So and it could be even biblical. So biblical, how do you know which is biblical or not biblical? So in biblical they use animal's fat. So what is animal fat? Like if you saw the fat that people would not eat, but you use candles, you use for production other things, like to smooth out things. Okay, so meaning what, that you put your finger in there, you take your finger out, and this hole is going to stay there for a very long time, maybe forever. You understand? So all of these creams are forbidden. Those type of creams forbidden by biblical decree. So if it's a little like more flowy, but still it's going to take time for the hole to come to close, I would say those are rabbinically forbidden. So what is no problem is flowing like a oil. So that's why no lipstick, no chapstick, no other things not allowed on Shabbos. So it's not oil coloring. Like chapsticks, you usually no color, but it's smoothing. That's the issue. So you smooth your lips and you smooth the chapstick itself. Two things.